Hello everyone, BauwenDR here, and today I'm going to give my opinion on a pretty inconsistent demon, or tier of Skrillex. The level. The gameplay is annoying because of being inconsistent, and because of it becomes really annoying to play, but it will be more fun when you learn the level. The details just look as most tier of everything remakes that were made back in early 1.9. Trivia. Nubas never said this level was speed tagged, but due to some parts and the time of when it was made, it most likely was speed hacked. If you died at a certain point in a dual cube, it says LOL, and it used a death trigger before it was even a thing. The level was unfeatured for the longest time because of the song that got banned from Newgrounds. It uses a lot of elements from Skrillex Party and Tier 502, and is probably inspired by those levels. It once was one of the hardest demons, but now is classified as medium demon through community votes. The gameplay. The gameplay, as mentioned before, is very inconsistent and isn't a lot of fun to learn. The first U part is a pain to memorize, but N isn't that hard after it. The UFO part after it is harder and will probably kill you quite sometimes if you're trying to be beating this level as your new hardest demon. The duel after that is again memorization and a pain to learn. Then just the usual cube memorization part followed by the hardest part of level, the wave. It will kill you a handful of times when you are practicing it at first, and in difficulty really sticks out. It also demonstrates how easy it would have been with speed hacks. Then the last few parts are pretty easy and probably won't kill you, but the UFO will be a problem though and might kill you once. The details. As I said before, it doesn't have a lot of original design, as most of the details come straight from Tier 502 or other clones from that level, as there were a lot of them back in 1.9. They also were memorization based, and so was Tier 502, and that was basically a whole style of levels. Synchronization. The synchronization in the first part is a bit better than most of the level, although it begins pretty well synchronized, but at the end of the cube, the synchronization is almost non-existent. The part after it sticks to the same synchronization until the second cube, where the sync is really good, but just as the first part drops off by the end. For the wave, the synchronization starts out pretty bad, with only synchronizing to the portals, but in the mini wave there's no synchronization whatsoever, and it continues for the rest of the level. Originality. As stated before, the gameplay and details are very close to those of early 1.9 Tier of Everything 2 clones, as they even start out with Tier of, and well, saying it isn't a clone of Tier of Everything 2 is quite hard and near impossible, although this level is one of the more Tier of Everything 2 style out of the clones, but the gameplay does feel unique, but it's not as original as Tier of Everything 2 had a lot of memorization parts as well. End score. For the end score, I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. Why? Well, the gameplay is overall inconsistent and annoying. It has a steep learning curve but eases over time, and well, I'm giving it a point less because of the originality. With that said, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.